Hello everyone, and welcome to another episode of Cleaning with the Academy. This is our Academy Cleaning Reviews. Now, this afternoon I'm here, as you can tell, with a wet floor sign. So the question I always ask is, why do we use a wet floor sign? Well, I will tell you, they never actually stop anybody from walking on the floor. It's all about keeping people safe and healthy here at the Academy. And the reason that we choose this, and the reason I'm reviewing this, it's called a Hurricone. And down here at the bottom, let's see if we can get it rolled around here, there's a switch down there. And why am I looking for that? Because the base of this, underneath here, has a fan and a battery. Yes, it's battery operated, and there's a fan. So when you turn this on, you're going to hear the fan. It's pulling air in through here, and it's pushing it out right down here at floor level. It'll cover about 15 feet wide. Now, why am I reviewing this with you this afternoon? And the reason is because I want to keep people safe and healthy. A wet floor sign never stopped them. So my point is, if you come to the Academy, we're going to teach you how to use the Hurricone in order to dry the floor in less than a minute and a half. That way we reduce slip and falls, we reduce liabilities, and that is why I want to give you the review of the Hurricone this afternoon. So come on back for our next review, where we'll be reviewing another piece of equipment, tool, or chemical. Stay safe out there, folks.